Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station and welcome to my new studio. I'm so excited and this is going to be my first ever personal place where I can shoot videos, edit videos, I can work in full swing. I'm so happy that I have my personal space here for my YouTube channel, my Instagram reels, everything, and I'm really thankful for my husband for giving me this place over here, this space for me to work. So before that, today's video is all about Amazon haul. If you are following me on Instagram, you will definitely know that recently we bought our own house and we just moved in our own house. It's like not even a month, but few stuffs we have already started, like everything new, full, all, from vessels, from kitchen stuff, from furnitures, everything is new because we just recently moved from India to US. So our obviously we can't take our furnitures from India, so everything is new over here in this house. So some of the small decor items which I shopped from Amazon, so I'm going to share some those stuffs which I shop from Amazon, and also the furnitures are from Wayfair, so that will be a separate video where I shop from Wayfair, so stay tuned on that. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all what are the small things which I shop from Amazon, and I hope you guys like it. If you like any of these products, please click the link in my description box. I will share all the links there below. These are my affiliate links. If you shop from my link, I will definitely earn some commission. If you want to support me, you can click from my link. Okay, so I will share with you all one by one. Before that, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam, and I will be sharing all the links below in my description box. Don't forget to check that out. So before I keep on talking more, let's get started with my haul. The first is this set of three angles, like it comes in large size and medium and then the smaller size. You can either hang it in this way like a steps, or either you can hang this way that shows on the booklet. So everything is mentioned, the instruction, it's quite simple to fit it. The second product is this Hoover Wind Tunnel Max Capacity. It's a vacuum cleaner, and you get also around three extensions, a thin one as well, where you can go clean in the corners of your doors and all. So really love it and definitely recommend to get this, and this is only for $99 now. I wanted something for my dining area, and there was one made which was already there in front of the dining table, so I just thought of ordering something like this. Very easy. There is this rope thing there, so which looks very cute as well, and some homely feeling. So it's mentioned here, bless the food before us, then the family besides us, and the love between us. And I also ordered another canvas that is for my living room above this ADT machine, which won't look nice, so I thought I'll just hang this here. It looks perfect. Family where life begins and love never ends. So now this looks neat. The next I took this gold mirror tray. This is a set of two. This one is large and one is a small. There was also a medium, so you get in different sets. So this is it was in good deal. It was just for $29, so definitely recommend to get this one. It looks super nice on your vanity. You can place your perfumes, or you can also keep this tray in your washroom. It really gives that luxe vibes in your washroom or your vanity or your dressing table. Definitely recommend. So the large one I kept it in my bedroom, and the smaller one I'll be placing in my studio room. The next one is this Avella's Artificial Monstera Delicacy. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's this plastic nursery pot as well you get. It's a tropical fake leaf plant, and it really looks real plant, and I really love this. I bought this for my living room. Most probably I'll buy one more for my studio room as well. So you also get a pot along, but that is quite small, doesn't look good, so I also took a big pot. So this is a planter or a patio pot, what you say, in the color Tequila Sunrise. It's in 13 inches long, and this definitely looks good on my living room, and the flooring it matches. So it no one mentioned that this is plastic, so this is a thick. So the next item is this vase. Actually, I was not expecting that this is going to be so small. I wanted little big one because the plant which I took, artificial plant which I'll be showing you after this, I thought it will fit in that. I keep the vase here besides this mirror. So some of these furnitures are in my next video, so I'm not showing the whole mirror right now. So yeah, so the vase is so small, so I thought of returning it. Then I thought, like, let it be on my table, so this will look like a cute miniature vase. So that's kind of vase. If in case you like to buy it, you can click the link in my description box below. This is a plant which this is a fake flower, or what is it, artificial plant which flowers. This is made of thermocol, but does not look like. If you keep it in, see, this is this way it looks like. I really love it. So maybe next to the mirror, if I'll do any clothing haul, it will really look nice. See, I'll show you from far. So this comes in different colors as well, in red, yellow. So you can check in the Amazon link I'll share. So it will look really nice. The stem is too big, so you can even cut it how much ever the length you want. So I'll be ordering a little bigger size of vase. See, even one stem will not come inside this. So that's what it is. This is of thermocol. So that's the next product which I wanted to share. So if in case you're interested, this is really nice. The next one, I took these 3 frames. This will be for my studio room. So once I set up my studio, I'm definitely going to add this on the wall, and then room tour is coming soon. I'm just waiting for one more 6 drawer organizer, the table thing, and when that will come, the next video will be the room tour, my studio room. So stay tuned for that, guys. So this is a frame. It's really beautiful, and the color scheme here, the theme going on here is like pink, and I really love it. It's simple yet beautiful. So this is a frame which you can even add it on your living room or your bedroom or your studio. It really look nice and give that on a plain wall. If you add these frames, it really looked lovely. The next, I took 3 set of 3. This is from this brand, Glamour by Allegory Premium Beauty Organizer. This is a lipstick organizer. It's like this, very very thick and very strong and sturdy. You can see that it's so thick. Just ignore my dog's hair, guys. So if you are a dog's mom, definitely you will understand. But this is quite thick, so you can store your lipsticks. This is for my dressing table, which I'm waiting for the 6 drawer set organizer. So I took 3. So once that comes in, if I have more lipstick, if it is less, I may buy more. So that's the set. It's very nice, very very, I would definitely recommend to get this. This is very nice and thick. The next, I took this is a brush organizer. I thought this is going to be little more broad, but this is too small. So I ordered this in 2. They were in black, I think white, and this is of white or cream ivory color. So that's what it is. It looks like this. So this is for my brush. It's already full. This is, I was expecting a little big, but this is small, but it's fine, cute. So I ordered 2. So I'm waiting for more brushes, which I have ordered from Yes Style. So Yes Style haul is also coming soon. I have ordered some cute accessories from there, so, and some organizers, and some cute stuffs, which is first time experience. I'm going to share that soon as well. Lots of videos coming up soon. I did not have a little also time to edit or shoot any videos, because I was really busy with my house. So that's my brush organizer, and it looks like this. Very nice, cute, and yeah, if you're looking for something small, you can even store this in your washroom to keep toothbrushes and paste, something like that, or comb if you want to keep it, organize your washroom. This is very nice option. So the link is shared in my description box. So guys, I hope you like this Amazon haul. Not very huge stuff or something interesting, but these are almost very cute stuffs, and maybe it will be useful for you guys, because what online the product looks something else, and when you go to buy it, the product looks something else. So I just thought of sharing it, what I bought as well. So if any of these products are useful for you guys, or you're looking to buy, you can check the link in my description box and buy from there. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much if you watched this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.